Hi everyone, welcome to Renovation School. On this episode, I'm going to show you how I brought this dead lawn to life. I'm going to share some quick information and tips with you guys. I hope you find it helpful. Stay with me. I'm going to be very quick throughout this video. So we just got this house and this is how bad the lawn looked. It was kind of embarrassing when everybody was passing by this house. They were just looking at it and I felt very embarrassed. So I went to the Home Depot and I got myself some fertilizer. Honestly, the brand of fertilizer doesn't matter as much. It's mostly the numbers that does. The very first and the last number does matter. The higher those are, the better it's going to be. The faster it's going to bring your lawn back to life. So make sure you get yourself a good quality fertilizer. On the back side of the fertilizer, it tells you what to set your broadcast setting at. On mine, this one was saying number 3, so I set it at number 3. It's actually pretty easy to broadcast the fertilizer. I started from the back side of the lawn, and then I'm trying my best to get a very nice and even coat throughout the whole surface. Because the lawn was pretty much ugly and dead, I decided to add some starter fertilizer just so I can add some more nutrition to the soil. This way it's going to grow up a little bit faster than normal and it's going to actually turn slightly greener when it's good to go. I got the fertilizer on sale for $25 and I can use them for 2 more times throughout this year. So now that the fertilizer is down, it's time to water the lawn. I set up my sprinkler system to water it twice a week before the sunrise for 20 minutes at a time. It is also very important not to water it in the evening or nighttime, as it will increase the chance of growing fungus or disease in your lawn. Now, to keep this lawn green and maintained, it's very important to sharpen up or replace your lawnmower blade. This is how I sharpen up my blade. I place the lawnmower handle under a car tire and then I place 2 bricks in front of the back tires. This way it doesn't move while I'm removing that blade. I don't like tilting it to one side as the fluid might leak and it's gonna stain my driveway. Make sure you wear heavy-duty gloves or cover up the blade while you're removing it. There's a slight bend at the end of this blade. Make sure you put it back the same exact way. So if you take a picture beforehand, it's going to be a good help. After securing the blade on my vise, I grab my angle grinder and sharpen up that dull edge, and then I go over it with my file to remove any possible nicks. It's a good idea to replace these blades after a while because they can go out of balance, and when you put them on the machine, they actually can damage your machine more than any help. There you go guys, thank you very much for watching Renovation School. If this video was any help to you, please hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Till next time.
There you go. Please like our channel.